First video ever. First of all, please note all guns in this video are props. They are not real whatsoever. And what else? Yeah, now for real, video quality is some trash. It's really just ass. It's just, yeah. We tried for real. But yeah.
Yay! Oh. Hey! It's too much. It's too me out, slut, me out. Ah! Used to be bumming, turn nothing to something. I got my bank account to jump. Rubber band honey said she keep on coming. Look like a mummy, the drug got slumpy. Jump. Add to the combo with these about money. Used to be bumming, turn nothing to something. I got my bank account to jump. I took a risk and I ended up rich. I went down my deep, but I made it out. Ran it up quick, all I needed is a stick. I'ma hit me a lick, you with the way. I'ma leave me, then come feel it. Come put this in your kidney. What? Nah, too much. Suck my balls, gon' chick me. Why you nah? Put your ass in my face till I get pink. I'm that type. Coochies, all coochies matter. Ass real thick, I can make it fatter. Wanna see a magic trick bend over backwards. To me, whoa. Coochie on my Hold on. My favorite thing to say is cool. Slut me out, slut me out. Where your friend bring your bud, don't think that you enough. My favorite thing to say is cool.
What's all that movement back there? What's all that movement back there? It's a whole lot of clapping.
And this is where we get dropped, bro. We're having a Mnandi time, listening to music, dancing and all that. Another car pulls up, stops us out of nowhere. They're like, hey. Kokani mad. Boy, telling you, dog. They were gonna take my shoes too, bro.
I got it! Winston! It's Spacina. Hey, blasting! Yeah, let's fight. Let's go, wait. Redlining the car. Yo, this is a good idea, guys. Shit, now it's going down. It's going down. Now let's check out the car. Shit. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging this. I'm vlogging, bro. Come here. Where you guys at, bro? So much flash. Need the coelas. Yo. Yeah, let's finish flying down there. Let me do this. Let's do this. Yo, we are here, boy. Yo. Oh my God, let's go. Let's go. Yo, wait. Go crazy. Hold on, a private session. Bro, come the engine, bro. Let's go down now, bro. Let's ride. Yo, come please. Got the honey. Shit. Check, yeah.
let us find down. Yeah, this car. Nah, this clean, this clean. Damn, come the LEDs. Hold on. Hold on. Shit. No. No, we lost him. It was the little rev. It was the little rev. Rev it. Let me see the quality on your one. Yeah? 620. Let's go. Fuck the house. Oh, this car, the Audi. Yeah, this one is Audi. This Audi's tough. Yeah. Shit. Yo. Whatever. You guys are missing. Where is Sam? Where is Sam, James? Where is Sam? Let the Audi go. Bro, this Audi is tough. Yo. Give us something. Give us heavy. And it's a TT couple, bro. Ooh. This is tough. Rev it! Can you rev it? Can you rev it? Oh. Ah, fuck. What the fuck is that? Yes, this one. Ask him there. Rev it! Can you rev it? Yo! The flames! Hey, the flames! Alright, James, let's go. That's one day. That's one is tough. Watch down. Yeah, this one's finna speed up. Don't tell me it's turn. Fuck, it's turn.
Bro, the main mission was to go to Mendy, get Hans. These niggas got distracted by cars.
This one is
These niggas were like, nah, bro, fuck Hans. We're gonna stay here and look at the cars. So we didn't end up getting no Hans, bro. We ended up not even getting no Hans. Like that's how personal with these cars these niggas were.
Come on! You don't see a little rev! Yes! The car, yo. This one is tough. I feel it, G. Look at that one, the last one. Perfect. That's how it's done. Heavy. Let's do a little rev. Yes. That biker right there. It's gonna cook. Oh no! Where your guys at, bro? Where your niggas at? Where your niggas at? Look at Lebu hiding there. Go. Let's go. Vlogging, bro. Javier, where you guys at, bro? Nite Quelas. Yo. Yo, we are here. Kamit. Just went to the Kamit with the boys. It's tough. It's tough. This is actually tough, bro. The Bruellas. Bottom jumpers 6, bottom jumpers 4.
I don't get no sleep, I stay up all night making songs. Back in music for 3 years to go strong, y'all.